How's it going, everyone? I got a quick little funny story before we start this video. I was just getting off of school, getting out of class. I'm going to local community college for HVAC certificate to get certified in that. So anyways, I'm leaving the school, right? And they're having construction because they're redoing the whole baseball stadium, and the part I drive through kind of goes through that construction. So I'm about to pull onto the main street and I just hear a clunk and then a bunch of other clunking noises, and it's getting faster with speed. So as I'm driving off, it's going click, 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 and it's going really fast, like with my engine RPM. So I'm thinking, what the heck, like my engine just blew. I'm like, what is going on? So I'm looking at the dash, waiting for the service light or the oil light to come on. Nothing's coming on. I'm doing like 30 miles an hour just trying to limp the car home because it's loud, like it's making a loud clunking noise. And like I said, it goes faster with like the speed of the car. So I'm thinking engine's done for. I'm waiting for this thing to overheat. So I live about 10 minutes away, right? So this whole time I'm doing like 35, just trying to limp this thing home, not trying to push it. I pull in the neighborhood, get to my house, everything's fine, the car's fine. It doesn't make the sound when I was stopped, but it would start making the sound when I would, gain speed. So I get out, I jack the car up real quick, and this is what I find. This piece of, I don't know if you guys can see it, rebar from the construction zone. And it was stuck and tangled like right there, and I guess it was making contact with my wheel. So when my wheel would go faster, it would make a louder noise. So that's what I was hearing this entire time. Crisis averted. I'm happy. I'm extremely happy. All right, so now for the actual video. This is kind of an unboxing, but not really because I've already took it out. But we got a new part. Let me get this out of here, and it's in that box. It's pretty big. So here's the unboxing. Guys should be able to see it. Hold on. That is a differential. Now you're probably wondering, Philip, why buy a differential? Well, that is off of a 2008 G35 sedan Sport, and knowing that, that differential is a 3.69 VLSD. The differential I currently have in my car is a 3.3, and I want the better gearing. The 3.69 is a very popular upgrade for us automatic guys. If you were a manual, you guys get 3.5 gears. So your next upgrade or differential upgrade would probably be the 3.9 or 4.08 gears gearing. So these will equate to shorter gearing, harder, better acceleration. As far as like top speed wise, losing top speed is probably not going to be noticeable. I'll probably never see that anyways. I just want the better acceleration. So I got the 3.69 VLSD. That G35 sedan that it came off of only had about 80,000 miles, so really good pickup. I think I got this diff for like 250 bucks. It came from Texas, so there's no rust. However, I'm going to clean it up, paint it. I want to paint the cover, probably blue or red, and then maybe paint the whole black casing again. Just put another coat of black on it just to really make it nice and keep it from rusting. I also have poly diff bushings for it. The poly diff bushings were from, I believe, Super Pro. I have to look at them, but I have those, and I've had those for a couple years actually, because a couple years ago I actually had bought a different differential. However, the eBay seller lied to me about it being a VLSD, and I ended up getting an open differential, and that's not what I wanted. So I just gave that one away, and then I've been holding on to those poly bushings for like ever now. So finally I could get those installed. In the next video, I'll have me cleaning the diff, painting the diff, installing the diff bushings. Then when I get the diff actually installed, I'll get the bushing of the subframe. I'm probably gonna get it installed in a couple weeks. I really wanted to do tomorrow, but I forgot I have a class that it's a 2 Friday class thing I signed up for, and I kind of forgot I had it, so can't do it this week, but in a couple weeks we will. So those videos to come of painting it and installing those poly diff bushings. Take a shot for every time I say diff. And so I'll definitely give you guys my review and thoughts of once I install it. I'm really expecting a lot from this thing. I'm really excited. Oh, I also bought new fluid to put in it as well. So I have everything ready. I just need to get it installed. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about that, about the differential, let me know. Like I said, I got it from an 08 G35 sedan Sport. And it was an automatic too, but it was a sport model, so it had the VLSD. Manuals will have it as well. It won't be a straight up drop-in install, unfortunately. If I would have got the differential from a manual, it would be, because the input flange on this diff is a 3-bolt and mine's a 4-bolt. The manuals have a 4-bolt. The autos for those G35 sedans have a 3-bolt. So we're gonna have to swap the flange. May even have to cut the input shaft just a little, but once we install it, I will go over everything. So to make whoever wants to do this install, I'll make it easy for you guys and let you guys know the full process. So I hope you guys like that quick little unboxing video. If you have any questions, let me know. And I'll see you in the next one where we paint this thing and install the bushings. Deuces.
Didn't even get to bronze.